Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to create scribble art. Scribble art is a fun and easy way to create unique and interesting drawings. For this tutorial, you need a pen or drawing pen and piece of paper. You can use any type of pen or drawing pen, but it is best to use one with a fine tip for more detailed lines. You can also use any type of paper, but thicker paper works best as it can bear with more layers of line. Take your pen or drawing pen and start drawing lines on your paper. The goal is to create a base layer of line. Once you have a base layer of lines, use your pen or drawing pen to add more lines to the base layer, connecting the lines to create shapes and patterns. The key to create scribble art is to start with random lines. Don't worry about making mistake or creating a specific image. You can also use different colors to add more depth to your drawing. There are many different techniques you can use to create scribble art. Try experimenting with different lines, width, patterns and colors to see what works best for you. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to create scribble art, so have fun and let your creativity flow. And that's it. Now you know how to create scribble art. Remember to experiment with different techniques and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.